Hello, I'm Mayor Phil Goode with your weekly update. From April 15th through November 1st, according to City Ordinance 4536, watering restrictions require you to do your outdoor watering after 8 p.m. and before 8 a.m. This helps to conserve water during the summer heat and will help you keep your utility bill reasonable. For more outdoor watering conservation ideas, check out the link at the end of this update. Right now, we are in the period of time that is most advantageous for working on our major road projects, as they require extended good weather. So we ask for your patience as we tackle these much-needed maintenance, repair, and restoration projects throughout the city. Willow Creek Road still has 2 projects currently underway, consisting of pavement repair and a microseal project. We're also working on Prescott Lakes Parkway near the intersection of Sundog Ranch Road leading to the transfer station. If possible, please avoid Willow Creek Road and Prescott Lakes Parkway during this road construction, using alternate routes, and be sure to plan for extra time to reach your destination if you're traveling on these roadways. There are also a variety of other projects taking place throughout the city. If you see alert signs, cones, and workers at any location, please remain alert and drive safely when traveling through the project area. Once complete, the improvements will extend pavement life and significantly improve the road quality for Prescott motorists. We appreciate your continued cooperation, patience, and understanding. Tuesday morning during the Council's executive session, we'll hear from our city attorneys on 3 matters: potential litigation related to the denial of the Whiskey Row Hotel project, dispute resolution related to the existing development agreement with Arizona Eco Development, and discussions with Deepwell Ranch relating to possible land acquisition in areas surrounding the airport. Afterwards, there could be an adjournment of the executive session and reconvening of a regular council meeting in public for discussion and possible action regarding these matters discussed in executive session. Also on Tuesday at the study session for the council, starting at 1 p.m., there will be a presentation and discussion regarding utility and non-utility development impact fees, land use assumptions, and infrastructure improvement plan. This includes the proposed increase in development fees to fund streets, fire and police, and utility infrastructure. Additionally, the study session will include a public hearing to discuss the proposed new and increased water and wastewater rates and fees. A second public hearing on the matter is scheduled for May 28, 2024 at the regularly scheduled 3 p.m. City Council voting meeting in the City Council chambers at Prescott City Hall. The earliest the City Council can take formal action on adopting any new and increased water and wastewater rates and fees will be immediately after the May 28, 2024 public hearing. The increased water and wastewater rates will become effective at the earliest 30 days after the adoption of the increases by the Prescott City Council. During Tuesday's 3 p.m. voting meeting, Council will recognize National Public Works Week and have a presentation regarding regional cooperation during recent fire events. We will also vote on a contract for an economic development strategic plan and a contract for parking lot improvements at the Prescott Public Library. During our first budget workshop last week, we heard from the following departments: Finance, City Clerk, City Council, City Court, Legal, City Manager, Bed Tax Budget, Community Development, Recreation Services, Golf Course, Fleet and Facilities, Library, and the Airport. On Thursday, May 16th, we will have our second budget workshop for fiscal year 2025 to review and discuss the remaining city departments and budgets. That meeting starts at 1 p.m. here in the council chambers. If you would like to review the PowerPoint slides from last week's first budget meeting, the link is below and the documents listed in the right-hand column. Don't forget that the 90-day public appeal period is currently open for the updated flood maps, but it will close at the beginning of July. Please look up your property to see if it's in the remapped area and how it is affected. This can mean changes in your building and flood insurance requirements. See more information at the link below. I'm Mayor Phil Goode, and I'll update you again next week. Thank you very much for watching.